Omar was a man torn between the world and the divine. Living in a bustling city filled with distractions, he found solace in the walls of his local mosque. His journey towards Allah's affection was not a straightforward one. It was woven with threads of doubt and fear, like an intricate tapestry. Initially, Omar's heart was restless. He was a thoughtful man, often introspective, and these traits led him on a spiritual quest. The noise of the city felt overwhelming. Each day spent in the marketplace, interacting with people governed by material desires, chipped away at his peace. He yearned for something more, something eternal. His relationship with the Quran became his guiding light. Every verse he read resonated with his soul, soothing his troubled mind and kindling a deep love for Allah. However, reading alone didn't quench his thirst for understanding. He sought wisdom and guidance to interpret the holy words. Enter Sheikh Ibrahim, an elderly but intellectually vibrant guide at the mosque. The Sheikh had a way of explaining the Quran that made the complexities of faith seem beautifully simple. Through conversations with Sheikh Ibrahim, Omar began to grasp the depth of Allah's love and compassion. This newfound understanding was put to the test when Omar faced a significant challenge. His brother Malik, once close, had drifted away, consumed by the darker aspects of city life: gambling, drinking, and neglect of spiritual duties. Malik's life was a stark contrast to Omar's quest for divine love. The city seemed both vast and interconnected, with winding alleys leading to sudden revelations or hidden dangers. One evening, Omar found Malik in a decrepit gambling den. The place was filled with shadows and despair, a stark antithesis to the mosque's serenity. As Omar confronted Malik, anger swelled within him. How could his brother ignore the boundless affection of Allah for fleeting pleasures? But then, the teachings of Sheikh Ibrahim and the Quran echoed in his mind: love, patience, and compassion. With a steady voice, Omar reached out to Malik, not with judgment, but with an invitation to rediscover their faith. This moment marked a turning point. Malik, touched by Omar's unwavering love and patience, agreed to return to the mosque. Under the guidance of Sheikh Ibrahim, both brothers delved deeper into the scriptures, their bond strengthening. Omar realized that his journey was not just a personal one. It was meant to touch the lives of others. He understood that the love of Allah was not just a destination, but a path laid with acts of kindness, patience, and constant seeking. In the months that followed, Omar's understanding of divine love grew richer. He became a beacon of guidance for others in the city, sharing his experiences and the wisdom he gained from Sheikh Ibrahim. His life became a living tapestry, each thread a testament to the transformative power of faith, love, and compassion. Omar had woven his struggles, triumphs, and the boundless love of Allah into a magnificent story, a tapestry that would continue to inspire many generations.